it's actually, if you look at the reason why I'm being considered for contempt, it's because I got a protection order for the kids instead of handing the kids over to my ex. Now, I want to clarify what handing over the kids actually means in this situation. Let's remember, the 3 kids, even though I'm a mom of 5, I have 2 adult kids. The 3 younger kids are the ones at issue. I have an almost 16-year-old and then twin almost 9-year-olds, okay? The reason that's interesting is because in those draft orders, my ex's attorney had submitted a DVPO against me to the judge. So the judge didn't sign it, but I want to say that on June 12th, the kids had a supervised Zoom visit with their father. And at that Zoom visit, my ex was under the assumption that the judge was going to sign everything his attorney had submitted to the judge earlier that day, right? Including the protection order. Well, the judge didn't sign that protection order because I was not at trial. So in a way, being in the hospital with pneumonia, in a way, kind of saved me from having this bogus protection order that would have given my ex the power to have the police seize my children. So at that Zoom visit on June 12th, my ex showed up with this pompous, ha, 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 tell the kids, I'm taking you away from your mother. I'm coming down there and I'm setting the record straight. And he says to the teenager, hey, 3 years ago, you requested a protection order against me, and I'm coming down there and setting the record straight. The twins were crying. The teenager was furious. And so my point is that to me, the fact that their father was willing to show up to a visit, assuming that he had just been given the power of this judge to sign over anything that he wanted. And what did he do with that power? He used it to terrify the kids. He used it to say, I just got away with murder, and I'm coming down there and getting my way. That should have been example enough. So the reason I go through that is that I filed for a protection order laying that out, and it was granted by a different judicial officer. And the judge is now, this trial judge now is saying, well, because you got that protection order granted, we're going to hold you in contempt, or presumably that's what she's going to do in 2 days.